So we heard an explosion, thought it was outside the house, couldn't find anything. And then later in the evening came in here. These are the closets, and found that the closet had collapsed completely. Let's see, these hangers pulled out. Twisted the whole shelf. Torn out. And whoever built it just blew through the wall. So now we're going to see what we can do to fix it. So that right there was holding up about 300 pounds of clothes, stuck straight into drywall. And naturally it finally just failed. These things on the ends were also in there too, but they were severely overloaded also. So plan right now is just add a few more of these little hanger bars and put them on studs instead of just straight into the drywall. Alright, let's go see if we can find some. Alright, the shelves back up, reinforced severely. Still got to do some work with the hole that blew out. But should hold about 2 metric tons now. See if it's level. Perfectly level. Put more drywall work and we're done.